Caroline. I've been in IT at Kärcher for 2 years. And I'm in charge of the digital customer application, which we also call the web portal. Wow! Personally, I think it's very exciting to work in an international team. You always learn a lot about yourself, but also about the typical German quirks and features. Wanna wow with us?
Hi, I'm Toby and I've been working in IT at Kärcher for over 5 years. I work on digital applications with a team of software developers. Simply put, you see how highly you are valued even by the managing directors. I digitized the Kärcher catalog and completely replaced the printed product around 2 years ago. Wow!
Hello, I'm Andy. I've been with Kärcher for 8 years and I am now an IT group leader and chapter lead. Even now, I get excited and experience a wow moment when I'm able to go along with and support my colleagues' creativity and ideas and see how far we have come with the changes we have brought about at Kärcher in recent years, especially in IT. Wanna wow with us?